Ever wondered how a simple phrase could transform your life? Imagine harnessing the power of words to shift your reality and manifest your dreams. Today, we will see how mantras can become the keys to unlocking your fullest potential and creating the life you've always desired. Words are powerful. They shape our thoughts, influence our emotions, and ultimately create our reality. In many cultures, the practice of using mantras, repeated phrases, or sounds is a time-honored tradition for invoking spiritual energy and manifesting change. But what if we told you that these ancient practices hold the key to transforming your modern life? In this video, we delve into the concept of vocal magic and explore how mantras can be used as powerful tools to alter your reality. From understanding the science behind sound and vibration to learning practical techniques for incorporating mantras into your daily routine, we'll guide you through the mystical and practical aspects of this transformative practice. Ready to speak your dreams into existence? Let's begin. To grasp the full potential of mantras, it's essential to understand the science behind sound and vibration. Everything in the universe, including our bodies, operates at specific frequencies. When we speak, our vocal cords produce sound waves that resonate at various frequencies, impacting the surrounding environment and ourselves. Research has shown that certain sounds and frequencies can affect our brain waves, altering our mental state and influencing our physical well-being. For example, the sound of Om, a common mantra in Hinduism and Buddhism, is believed to resonate with the frequency of the universe, promoting a sense of peace and harmony. This connection between sound and mental state is not just spiritual. Scientific studies have demonstrated that sound waves can directly influence neural activity, creating a calming effect on the mind. Mantras leverage this power of sound. When repeated consistently, they create a vibrational pattern that can influence our subconscious mind, aligning our thoughts and actions with our intentions. This process of alignment can lead to profound changes in our perception and reality. The repetition of a mantra can act as a form of brainwave entrainment, where the rhythmic patterns of the sound can synchronize with brainwaves, leading to a meditative state. Moreover, the vibrations produced by chanting mantras can have physical benefits. These vibrations can stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a crucial role in regulating the parasympathetic nervous system. This stimulation can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and enhance overall emotional well-being. By understanding the science behind these vibrations, we can appreciate the profound impact that vocal magic can have on our lives. Mantras are not merely words but powerful tools that, through their vibrational qualities, can transform our mental, emotional, and physical states. This scientific perspective on mantras enriches our appreciation of their ancient wisdom and practical applications in modern life. Mantras have a rich historical and cultural heritage. Originating in ancient India, they have been used for thousands of years in spiritual practices across various religions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. These sacred sounds are often chanted during meditation, rituals, and ceremonies to invoke divine energy and facilitate spiritual growth. In Hinduism, mantras are considered a direct link to the divine. The repetition of mantras, known as japa, is believed to purify the mind, body, and soul. Specific mantras are associated with different deities and are used to gain their blessings and protection. The Gayatri mantra, for example, is one of the most revered and is chanted to invoke wisdom and enlightenment. Similarly, in Buddhism, chanting mantras is seen as a way to focus the mind, cultivate positive qualities, and gain insights into the nature of reality. The Om Mani Padme Hum mantra, associated with the Bodhisattva of compassion, is chanted to develop compassion and benevolence. Beyond religious contexts, Mantras have found their place in modern wellness practices. From yoga studios to self-help workshops, the use of mantras is recognized for its ability to reduce stress, enhance concentration, and promote emotional healing. These practices demonstrate that the power of mantras extends beyond spiritual growth, offering practical benefits for mental and emotional health. By integrating these ancient practices into our daily lives, we can tap into a wellspring of wisdom and power that transcends cultural and temporal boundaries. Mantras serve as a bridge between the ancient and the modern, providing timeless tools for personal transformation and well-being. Incorporating mantras into your daily routine doesn't require extensive training or a deep understanding of spirituality. Here are some practical techniques to help you get started. Firstly, choose a mantra that resonates with you. This could be a traditional mantra like Om, a positive affirmation such as I am strong, or a phrase that holds personal significance. The key is to select a mantra that feels meaningful and relevant to your current needs or aspirations. Before you begin chanting, set a clear intention. What do you hope to achieve with this practice? Whether it's inner peace, confidence, or manifesting a specific goal, having a clear intention will guide your mantra practice and infuse it with purpose. Next, find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Creating a serene environment helps you focus more deeply on your practice. Start chanting your mantra slowly and steadily. Focus on the sound and the vibration it creates within your body. You can chant aloud, whisper, or repeat it silently in your mind. The important thing is to remain present and attentive to the mantra's resonance. Consistency is crucial to experience the full benefits of mantras. Set aside a few minutes each day for your practice. Over time, you'll notice shifts in your mindset and overall well-being as the mantra's energy integrates into your daily life. Enhance your mantra practice by incorporating it into your meditation routine. Use your mantra as a focal point to deepen your meditation and achieve a state of inner calm and clarity. This combination can amplify the effects of both practices, providing a more profound sense of peace and insight. By integrating these practical techniques into your daily routine, you can harness the transformative power of mantras to shift your reality and align with your deepest intentions. The power of words extends far beyond mere communication. Through the practice of vocal magic, you can harness the transformative energy of mantras to shape your reality and manifest your deepest desires. By understanding the science behind sound and vibration, appreciating the historical significance of mantras, and incorporating practical techniques into your daily routine, you unlock a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. As you embark on this journey, remember that the key to success lies in consistency and intention. With each repetition of your chosen mantra, you align yourself with the energy of your goals, paving the way for a reality that reflects your true potential.